Today is another day in the life of a poultry farmer. Guys, we are day 8. Day 8. You can see them up and active, eating, drinking, trying to monitor their thermometer by themselves, as you can see. They are all doing well. Guys, you can start your own poultry farming just with 50 birds and you can progress from there. Just start with 50 birds and in the next 6 months you'll be putting the eggs, because these are layer birds, layer chicks. So in the next 6 months you'll give you an egg. You can see they're doing well. They have been fed this morning, water given. You can see them eating, climbing as well, flying, running around.